When one thinks of Laguna, one gets the impression of coconuts, buko pie, the vast UP Los Baños campus. But every city is different. Here in San Pablo City, we have a lot of food coming from the mountains and the lakes. I am Nicole de la Cruz, co-owner of Hiraya Bakery and the San Pablo Local. We're gonna start off by having breakfast here at Casa San Pablo. Casa San Pablo is a bed and breakfast which has been opened since 1997. They also have a cafe where you can have a taste of the dishes of San Pablo City. Our spread is inspired by the 7 lakes in the city. There's paksiw na ayungin, itlog na maalat, daing na biya, longganizang San Pablo, quesong puti with pandesal, and Pinay tea. Biya can be found in San Pablo's lakes and rice fields in the Philippines. Ayungin is a local freshwater fish that's small and bony, and it's best cooked as paksiw. One of the places you can go to for traditional San Pableño food is Sulyap Café. Sulyap Café first started as a museum and then put up their own cafe in the same year. For lunch, we're going to be having adobong baboy sa kamatis, ensaladang dilis, ensaladang pako, kulawo, and Pinay tea. Pinay tea is a dish made by simmering pounded shrimp from Lake Palakpakin in garlic, onion, kakangata or first extraction coconut milk. When in San Pablo, one of the places you must go to is Patis Tito Garden Cafe. Here, you won't just get a taste of Filipino food, but also be inspired by Philippine tradition, architecture, and design. For merienda, we're going to have palitaw, which is boiled rice cakes with coconut, and tanglad iced tea. Forest with Garden is a farm-to-table restaurant where they use produce and ingredients from their 5-hectare farm. They're known for their pancit calabuco, which is a pancit made from kabute, kalabasa, and buko, all sourced from their farm and developed because the owner loved pancit and the city was too far to get the ingredients. Another item, planchado lamang lupa, is a rice cake made from the root crop tugi and toasted using an old-style iron with hot coals. Like any city, San Pablo can be quite challenging to get to know in a day. It's best to talk to the locals who are making the food and dishes they grew up with. It's also good to know that local produce like sampinit or local berries is being recognized in bigger cities such as Metro Manila. And instead of serving fancy dishes, the restaurants opt to serve food that other people outside of San Pablo can enjoy. And you know, we also see our elders around us pass on their food knowledge, hopefully as their legacy to the next generation.